Question 2 of this exercise says a 3-meter wide path runs outside and around a rectangular park of length 125 meter and breadth 65 meter. Find the area of the path. So the width of the park is uniform and it is around a rectangular park of 125 meter length and breadth 65 meter. So let us consider the length of the bigger rectangle, that is L1. It equals to 125 plus 3 plus 3. So it is basically 131 meter. So that is the length of the bigger rectangle. Let's find the breadth of the bigger rectangle, that is 65 plus 3 plus 3. So it's basically 65 plus 6, which is same as 71 meter. So that is the length and the breadth of the outer rectangle or bigger rectangle. Now the area of the path is basically area of outer rectangle minus area of inner rectangle. So the dimension of outer rectangle we know, that is L1 and B1, that is 131 meter and 71 meter. So the area of the outer rectangle will be 131 multiplied with 71 minus the area of the inner rectangle, that is LB. So LB is given in the question, that is 125 into 65. So on solving this, we will get 1176 square meter. That will be the area of the path.
To learn more about how QMath can help you crack school and board exams, explore QMath Leap, a live online classroom program run by highly experienced and committed teachers.